came around to say hello. One-on-one, I'm so fly. You took a nosedive. Careful when you play on my level. For you, it's so. Hey, hello.
Motorola Razr 50 Ultra. Flip the script.
Hello, Moto.
Dr. Ranganathan, if people voted for Mr. Bordoloi because of Congress, then Congress has nothing to worry. Then the Congress party should say good riddance. फिर ये जो बातें करने की कोशिश हुई कि रोक लेते हैं और बीजेपी ये कर रही है वो कर रही है, ये सब पढ़ने की जरूरत नहीं थी. Two, if people voted for Bordoloi because he worked, because people thought he can work for them, then that definitely is a reason to worry. That is why the Congress party is rattled. लोगों को क्या फर्क पड़ रहा है, उनको काम से मतलब है.
Indeed. Good evening, Swati, and good evening to my fellow panelists. At the outset, can I congratulate Tuhin for braving it out? It really, I mean, with a straight face, really remarkable. Look, the Congress is disintegrating. The BJP is integrating. The very same man, Pradyut Bordoloi, who the BJP called, quote, one of the most corrupt, manipulative power brokers Assam has ever seen, and one who plundered the state mercilessly, unquote, has today been put inside the BJP washing machine. Only the cycle needs to be decided. Cotton या silk, 1 घंटे की धुलाई या 15 मिनट की धुलाई. And this is supposed to be a party with a difference anyhow. There are other important issues, and that is what I want to discuss out here, Swati. The fact remains that it is up to Modi and Himanta Da to literally save Assam. This is a make or break election. Make or break, I said. I'll tell you why. As many as 11 districts in Assam, roughly a third of all districts, are now heavily Muslim majority. Prominent among them being Mankachar 95%, Dubri 80%, Barpeta 71%, Dharam 64%, and 4 of them border Bangladesh. This is not just a ticking time bomb, it is now a hissing time bomb. And the scary part, this data is from the 2011 census. God knows what is the situation today. Remember that Muslim legislator who dared the army to set up a camp in the sensitive Siliguri corridor? We're going to see more of that. Is it not a fact that a particular religious denomination is increasing compared to the others? Look at the decadal growth rates in Assam. From 2001 to 2011, Hindus grew by 10%, Muslims by 30%, 3 times faster than Hindus. But if you look at the total fertility rates of Assamese, they are below replacement level for Hindus 1.6 and approaching replacement level for Muslims 2.2. And the absolute decline is double for Muslims. So what explains this astonishing difference between Hindu and Muslim growth rates? The finger obviously points to illegal immigration. Look, if you were to take as starting point the premise that all religions are exactly the same, then there is no issue. Because under that premise, if one religious population can be the majority, why can't be the other? But the fact is all religions are not the same. Some religions exhibit predatory, supremacist, exclusivist views and practices. The truth is, if such a religious denomination becomes majority population, it begins dictating its social practice upon others very soon. There are some schools in Jharkhand that now have Friday as a holiday instead of Sunday. We have seen what happened in the Kashmir Valley. The sitting chief minister even called for stoning as punishment there. We have seen the state of homosexuals and atheists and women under the majority of such religions. Just 30 seconds. Demographic shift is a reality in Jharkhand, in Bengal, and in Assam. And changing demography shifts a government decision towards appeasement. Why don't we realize this? The fact of the matter is that the day Assam changes, it is going to break from India.
But Mr. Gaurav Gogoi says, and I want to bring in Syed Asad Abbas, Gaurav Gogoi says new Congress will give birth to a new Assam. Is this the new Congress that he imagined? He also gave a new Assam vision to Mr. Bordoloi, who clearly did not accept. And also it's very convenient when you hear Imran Masood. Jahan phas jao, Muslim card khel do.
Swati, mark my words, and I know my brother Tehseen will agree with me on this front. This time the Congress party in Assam is going to give you a belligerent victory. Ye jo zameen tale baithe hain na, Himanta Biswa Sarma sahab, he will be lost in the case. And this time, my dear friend Tuhin Sinha, आपकी दाल गलने वाली है, आपकी वॉशिंग मशीन माल फंक्शन होने वाला है भाई साहब. वही प्रद्युत आदमी who was using the choicest of words for the BJP, for Himanta Biswa Sarma, उसको अपने गाड़ी में बिठा दिया, उसको वॉशिंग मशीन में डाल दिया. The fact is today, Swati ji, the BJP believes Sam Dand भेद और उसके साथ CBI, ED, IT.
Okay, so then what about the cross voting that has happened? ये लोग भी साम दाम दंड भेद में विश्वास रखते हैं? Is that the reason?
स्वाति जी सवाल आपको पूछना ये चाहिए.
नहीं, सवाल जो मैंने आपसे पूछा उसका जवाब आपने दिया नहीं. आप वही पुराना आर्ग्यूमेंट दे रहे हैं जो जिससे शुरुआत में कर चुकी हूँ. जो सवाल मैंने पूछा उसका जवाब दीजिए. Is this the new